Hey there everyone, Hitesh here, back again with another video, and I would like to present this video to you with an amazing and extraordinary launch. This is the launch of the century. This is the biggest revolution that has ever happened in the social media industry. We are bringing in our own platform for social media. This is not like any other platform. This has some amazing set of features that world has never seen before. This is the very first time we are launching it, and you will truly realize that there is nothing which is even nearby to this social media. Before I introduce this platform to you, I would like to introduce you to all the social media that are currently existing. There is Facebook, there is Instagram, there is Twitter, and many other as well. All of these platforms are very similar. You just write your content, some call them as post, some call them as tweet, and bunch of others. You can reply to them and like to them, and that's basically it. Now, these social medias are very common. Anybody can sign up to them, can raise their voice, can gather attention of the audience and serve that audience as well. There is no charge, there is no fees. There is also a couple of other platforms where you can have discussions like Discord and Slack and all of that, and they charge a very minimum amount of fees. Now, this is all working towards free or affordability. But who is going to take care about the rich people? We are here to take care for the rich of the rich, and that's why I would like to present to you this Rich Book, the platform, the social media for rich people. The functionality of our own designed Rich Book is almost similar to Twitter, but with an amazing twist that we have introduced in the platform that nobody has dared to do since the launch of the internet. We are charging 2 lakh rupees as a joining fees on this platform. 2 lakh rupees is just a small amount of money for the rich people. So that's why we are charging 2 lakh rupees as a joining fees. After that, in order to stay on the platform, you have to pay just a small amount of 1 lakh rupees every single month. Now, this is how you sign up on the platform. Anybody can sign up after paying the fees, but since there will be only a handful of people who can afford this kind of thing, this will be a social network only for the rich, and rich can introduce themselves to other rich people and have a community of rich people. Not only that, just because you have logged in the platform, you cannot just tweet out anything. You cannot make any post. We are charging a special fees for writing any post. We are charging just 10,000 rupees for any post that you're going to make on the platform. And to make sure that people who have their voice against you or with you also need to be charged something. So we are charging just 1,000 rupees for each reply, and for each heart that they are going to give to your post, we are going to charge just 500 rupees. We also have a referral system. Now, usually with the referral system, the pricing of the product reduces by 10% or 20%. We're not going to do like that. We are Rich Book. With our referral system, you can increase price to any of your rich friend. When you send him a referral link, instead of charging 2 lakh rupees as an onboarding fees, we are going to charge him 2.5 lakh, and for a monthly fees, we are going to charge him 1.5 lakh. Now, not only this, since you are paying this much amount of money to everyone, we are going to make sure that on your profile, we mention this, that how much monthly you are paying and how much you are spending on simple tweets, likes, and all of that. Your monthly report will be available to everyone who is on the platform, so that they can see that how much you are spending on the social media and how much more money is lying in your bank account just like nothing. Welcome to the Rich Book, the biggest revolution in the world of social media. I hope you are excited, and in the comment section, you're going to be very, very excited to join this platform. You're not going to be like, hey, make this affordable, bring affordability to this, or make it free. You'll be like, yes, please charge more to the rich people, because we need to. Somebody needs to take care of rich people, and Rich Book is exactly here to do the same. The most important thing is, please do not forget to share this video with all of your friends who are rich or want to be rich. Let them see that if they can afford to join this platform or not. Welcome to Rich Book. Welcome to Rich. We are charging 2 lakh. Oh.